In fact, this reminds me of a family that I know who can help us remember the notes.
Meet the Tortoise family. They are one of the families living in Noteland. Meet the children, Tommy and Tammy Tortoise. Like most children, they have a lot of energy and enjoy running around the garden, playing catches, hide and seek, and many other games that involve running. Here they come, running, 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 just like the running notes. This is Mommy Tortoise. She does not have as much energy as Tommy and Tammy Tortoise, so she prefers not to go running around, especially not when she is wearing her high-heeled shoes. She also definitely doesn't want to hop. That would be very unladylike. But she can walk. Walk, 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 walk. Notice that walk sounds as short or as long as hop. So she can go walk, 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 1 foot at a time. Or if she is wearing her high-heeled shoes, it will probably sound more like click, clack, click, clack. So every morning Mommy Tortoise goes walk, walk, click, clack from the bedroom to the kitchen to cook porridge for the family. Daddy Tortoise also gets up, puts on his boots and goes walk, 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 walk at a decent grown-up pace to the kitchen. Although, if he is wearing his boots, it probably sounds more like doof, 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 doof as he goes to the kitchen to eat his porridge. The children, of course, can't wait to have their porridge with a good sprinkling of sugar on top, so they go running, 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 running to the kitchen. Meet Granny Tortoise. She loves to go for a walk in the garden before breakfast. She enjoys the fresh air, a bit of exercise, and always admires the flowers. Because she is older, she walks slowly, slowly, slowly through the garden with the step, swing, step, swing. This also gives her enough time to look at the flowers. Doesn't Granny swinging her leg remind you of the dong note, where we have the clapper inside the bell also swinging? Ding, dong, slowly, slowly, 1, 2, 1, 2. And last we have Grandpa Tortoise. He is 10 years older than Granny Tortoise and rather frail, so when he goes for a walk, he needs his walking stick. And with his aching back, it takes 4 counts for him to take 1 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have them, the Tortoise family. I hope they taught you something new about the notes. And they definitely introduced our fast running notes.